In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot for Real Estate CRM. Start on your HubSpot home dashboard, then head into Settings. In the left sidebar, open Data Management and choose Deals. From here, go to Pipelines to build the deal flow your team will use. Click Create Pipeline, choose Create from Scratch, and give it a clear name, like Buyer Pipeline. A well-named pipeline helps real estate teams visualize where every opportunity sits, forecast revenue, and coordinate handoffs without losing context. Click Create Pipeline to confirm. Now add your key buyer stages. Add the first stage called New Inquiry. This captures brand new interest from leads and ensures fast follow-up, critical for conversion in a competitive market. Add another stage called Offer Submitted. Tracking this moment lets you manage negotiations, deadlines, and documentation with precision. Add a third stage called Under Contract. This is where contingencies, inspections, and escrow tasks are managed, helping you predict close dates and keep all parties aligned. Click Save to lock in the stages. Next, create a seller-focused pipeline. Click Create Pipeline again, select Create from Scratch, and name it Seller Pipeline. Separating buyer and seller workflows gives you cleaner reporting, tailored automations, and clearer team ownership. Click Create Pipeline. Add the first seller stage, Offer Received, so you can prioritize responses, evaluate buyer strength, and coordinate counteroffers. Add Property Listed to track marketing, showings, and timeline milestones after a home hits the market. Then add Sold, which marks a successful close and drives post-sale follow-up and referral activities. Click Save. Let's add contact properties that enrich your records. Go to Data Management and open Properties for Contacts. Click Create Property and add property type as a single-line text field. This helps categorize interests like condo, single-family, or multi-unit, making it easier to match buyers with the right listings and segment your audience. Create the property, then create another called Financing Type. Set the field to drop-down select with options like cash and loan. Standardized choices improve reporting accuracy and power automation rules for pre-approvals and timelines. Create the property. Switch to Deal Properties to support pricing and negotiation. Click Create Property and add listing price as a number, then set the number format to currency. This anchors your valuation, comps, and pipeline forecasting. Create it, then create offer price as a number with currency as well. Capturing offer amounts lets you compare to list price, track concessions, and measure negotiation effectiveness. Create the property. You now have buyer and seller pipelines with meaningful stages, plus contact and deal properties that drive clarity and speed. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.